back. It's early. It ain't 7 o'clock yet. I got a whole lot of stuff in my hand, but I'm gonna try to make this work. What's up there? Nah, we ain't finna try to make this work. What's up, man? I'm finna get in the car and I'm finna hit y'all right. Yeah, man. So, oh boy. Yup. Told y'all, man, this grind finna change. Grind finna change a lot. I'ma need a little help. I ain't gonna lie to you. Because I ain't really been used to. I ain't gonna say been used to it, 'cause I done done it before, but I ain't used to getting up like this no more. My alarm, well, I'm up every morning, but I don't get out the bed every morning. Like, I'm up, I get up, I be woke, but I just be laying there, like kind of pondering, like kind of just, you know what I'm saying? Just thinking about things. Now, man, I'm finna have to go ahead, start back getting up. Cause, yeah. Speaking it into existence, I got to get away from here. I know y'all tired of hearing me say that, but I'm gonna keep on saying it until I'm no longer depending on the financing or the funding of somebody else's job. I need to be dependent on the financing and the funding of my own hustle, of my own entity, of my own job, my own all that. So yeah, y'all gonna hear it, man. Every time I think of it, y'all gonna hear it every chance I get to tell y'all that, man, I gotta get away and get on my own to better my family. I can't wait till, and I'm gonna do it cool, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't gonna do it messed up, like, I'm gonna do it cool, like, put my 2 weeks in and all that, even though, you know what I'm saying, when like, I heard a guy say, you know what I'm saying, they don't give you no 2 weeks when they fire your ass. That's cool. I ain't gonna be, I don't wanna do nobody how they do me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I wanna stay clean, man, in the image of God, man. So, I ain't gonna be no sucker, but I wanna be clean in the image of God. So I want, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't wanna do nobody bad, because I know they'll do me bad, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want them, God will deal with them. That's all I'm saying. God will deal with them. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? That's enough of me babbling already. You know what I'm saying? Let me go and get this pre-trip done on this truck, get this truck ready, man, to haul me around today. Yeah. First load of the day, man. Going to a brewery, man. Over here with the beer. They ain't gonna let me get none though. Yeah, for the shoot over here, they already got some swap and swindle type shit going on. I don't feel like doing this early in the morning. That's why I don't be getting up like this. But it is what it is. We'll go over here, see what they talking about. Go over here and see what they talking about, man. Get them gears, y'all. Can't be scratching, can't be doing grinding gears, can't be doing all that, man. camera in my hand, man. So I know y'all can do it too, man. Y'all can do it too. Check out my shades at the car. This hard. Serious. Get moaning. It might be serious head moaning, but like I said, once again, I don't be up like this. But the grind calls for it, so gotta do what I gotta do. There we go. Yeah, man, let me shoot on over here. Get this little load. Get this little load or whatever. Yep. See what's going on. Yo. Yeah. At the crib. Baby done went and got us some breakfast, man. So I'm finna sit here and eat breakfast with my honey. What's up, honey?
What's up, man?
I need something to drink. I left my cup in the car. In the truck.
You left your cup in the truck?
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. What we got in here? Got a little bit of Sprite left. You drinking Sprite? You drinking Sprite?
Water.
Alright, well. All that good stuff. Before my food get cold.
You want me to make some water with some lemon?
Ooh. You know how to turn me on, though. And just like that, man, we back on the road. Throw this in the trash. Like that. Close that old garage. Oh boy. Man. I just I just need me some well, I ain't even gonna say that. I ain't gonna say I need some more time. I just need to go ahead, man, apply myself, man, and get the hell on. I'm studying different avenues, though, trying to do what I need to do to get away from, you know what I'm saying, to get on my own, so it's all good. I ain't gonna trip on it. Oh boy. I must say, I'm blessed though. Like, we take a lot of stuff for granted, man. Like, man, we be blessed. We be wanting a little more, man. And ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just, you know, man. I don't know. Everything happens for a reason. Everybody in a position for a reason. So it's like, it's up to you whether you know what I'm saying, get yourself out of this situation, move yourself forward or whatever. It's up to you to do that. So yeah, I ain't tripping about nothing. I'm glad that I'm glad that I got enough brain power, enough, you know what I'm saying, sense to be like, hey, I got this right here now, I want to go. I'm glad I ain't stagnant, man, and trying to be, you know what I'm saying, just comfortable with you know what I'm saying, with one particular position. I'm glad I want to do better. Because it could be the other way around, dog, for real.